Myself Daniel Peter. Sorry to interrupt the video. Okay, about the electrical chapters. So, but in the case, as I told you, DC generator are very heavy, and DC generator very heavy, and AC generator are very light in cost. Okay, light. Now there are various type of AC generators: shunt field, series bound, compound bound. Compound bound means shunt mount and series mount. Shunt mount means shunt resistance means parallel resistance. The resistor which is connected in parallel is called as shunt resistance. Now we will study about the filters. What is the filter? Filter means, like as we know about the filter, that is it is used to filter out, that is used to clean out the dirt or excessive FODs materials. So filter in this circuit is what? Filter purpose is it is used to pass the electric circuit DC and not allow the pass AC circuit to pass. Means it will filter purpose is also another purpose. It will allow a certain frequency of band to pass, and it will not allow the another certain frequency of band to pass, not to pass. So there are various type of filter: low pass filter, high pass filter, band stop filter, band reject filter. So high pass filter, then they can be connected in inductor as well as in capacitor form also. In a low pass filter, that is only passing a lower frequency of signal, that is a low pass filter. High pass filter, its purpose is to pass only the higher frequency band of signal. हायर फ्रीक्वेंसी बैंड की जो सिग्नल होती है उसी को पास करती है, एंड इट विल रिजेक्ट ऑल अदर फ्रीक्वेंसीज. नाउ बैंड पास, इट विल पास ओनली अ सर्टेन बैंड ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी, मतलब एक सर्टेन बैंड ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी को ही पास करेगा, अदर फ्रीक्वेंसीज इट विल रिजेक्ट. मीन्स इट विल पास ओनली अ सर्टेन बैंड ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड अदर फ्रीक्वेंसी हाई और लो इट विल नॉट ब्लॉक. So band pass is a combination of high pass and low pass. Now band reject is what? Low pass plus high pass. Band reject means it will not allow a certain frequency of band to pass. It will only allow the higher frequency, low frequency band to pass. So this is all about the filter. Okay. Now as there are various type of capacitors like it store the charges and it will block DC and pass AC circuit, AC current. So capacitors are types like dielectric type capacitors, mica type capacitors. Mica material, insulated mica is used. Okay, mica is a very good dielectric, water is also very good dielectric, cylindrical form. Now power factor is what? The actually power consumed in the circuit. जो पावर एक्चुअली कंज्यूम होती है सर्किट के द्वारा, सर्किट के कंपोनेंट से जो पावर कंज्यूम होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज पावर फैक्टर. ओके, पावर फैक्टर मीन्स द एक्चुअल पावर कंज्यूम्ड इन द सर्किट, दैट इज योर ट्रू पावर अपॉन अपेरेंट पावर. ओके, इन 200. So this is all about the electrical circuits, electrical components. Now we will study about also transformer. Transformer is what? It will used to transform the electricity state from one form to another. Transformer मतलब बढ़ाना. There are two types of transformer: auto transformers. They are also used. Auto transformer is a type of a transformer. It is having only a primary winding, not having a secondary winding. Auto transformer has two windings: primary winding and secondary winding. Okay, the winding they get supply the electric circuit to electric current to each other by the process of induction means the transfer of charges from one form to another form without any external circuit. Okay, so transformer purpose. Okay, now transformer are the various type of 4 leg core, 2 leg core, 3 leg core. Okay, so this is all about the turns ratio. Turns ratio means N1 upon N2 is equal to T1 upon T2. Means primary turns on the secondary winding to the number of turns on the primary winding. That is called as turns ratio. Or how much the turns ratio, the powerful will be the transformer. T1 or E1 upon N2. Okay, this is called as a turns ratio. Okay. Now we will study about motors. Motors, DC motor, AC motors. And AC motors are classified as induction motor and synchronous motor. DC motors are very powerful. Like AC motors, we can study about induction motor. Induction motor, the advantage of induction motor is that it is very lower in cost. It is very cheap as compared to synchronous motor. Induction motor, okay, there is example that is a squirrel type induction motor. Now in the case of your synchronous motor, what happens? The synchronism of the rotor and stator happens. The synchronism of the rotor, suppose this is a rotor and this is a stator. रोटर स्टेटर की सिंक्रोनिज्म होती है, द रोटर एंड स्टेटर सिंक्रोनिज्म. सो द सिंक्रोनस मोटर reaches to the synchronous point and it start the revolution. So the synchronous motor का is disadvantage is what? It is very heavy in construction as compared to induction motor. So synchronous motor are also started by using a auto transformers. You can refer to BL Thalleja book. Okay, so this is all about the electrical terminology fundamentals. Please like my channel, subscribe my channel. With your love, peace and harmony. Take care.